Okay, jellyfish. So these guys are pretty funny. They got that mushroom top head and all the tentacles that come out of the bottom of them. So how do we make those guys really come to life? What I do is I start off with this mushroom top of the head. And what I like to show is I like to show the inside of the jellyfish. What I mean by that is you'll see the under of him. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in an oval right there. And now you can see the top and kind of like the underbelly of the jellyfish, even though they don't have bellies. Now, next thing I can do is I go ahead and put in these lines like this. And what I'm going to do with these, though, is I want to intertwine them. And I want to overlap them to give, the depth again. All right, we've talked about that before in other videos. So make sure that you are, twisting and turning them. I mean, how could you even make them even sweeter than that? You can put in a line to show that they're twisting and turning right there. There's a back side and it underneath. And then again, you could even do something where you are taking the tentacle, and let's go ahead and do something kind of cool where it's going to wrap behind and flare off. See how you just went ahead and knotted all that, and then here I can bring that in through there, and you can get as crazy as you want with these tentacles. And don't forget, they're not see-through, so make sure you're erasing your lines through these. And let's see, which one do we want to do that. So let's go ahead and bend that one around there. And then if you want to, you can go ahead and put in little spots, little jellyfish spots everywhere. And then what I like to do with my eyes, and I know why one always big and one always small. And voila.